How Temu Affiliate Works Step-by-Step Guide 2025. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is Temu and how its affiliation works. And if you want to become an affiliate for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start off right away. Now, if you want to become an affiliate and you've signed up using the link in the description below, you're going to scroll down on the main page and it's going to bring you here where it says affiliate and influencer earn commission. So you're going to click on it, and obviously if you're already signed up, you're not going to want to go through with all the thingamajiggies when it comes to setting up your affiliate. Now, to talk about how Temu Affiliate actually works, here's what's going to happen. So, first of all, we have this dashboard over here. Now, over here on the right hand top side, you're going to see your available cash, money, or credit. Over here, they're going to give you ways that you can earn. So, you can earn 20% commission on our orders placed within 30 days of your referral. $10 is an extra download reward for referrals who download and order. And then 5 to 20% commission if you refer up to 50 new downloads on order. Then if you scroll down, you can get different referrals as well. So let's say there's this $100 coupon bundle and I want to become an affiliate for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on share. And this is basically a text to, show people. This is basically a landing page text. And then you can also copy the link, which is basically right here. And this is your embedded deep link that's going to have your secret key. So when someone uses your link to apply and create an account and go ahead and purchase something, you're going to get the commission for it. So that is basically how Temu Affiliate works, and all of your cash will round up over here that you can easily withdraw. The minimum withdraw amount is $20, so keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you can use Temu Affiliate and become a great affiliate person. So if you want to become an affiliate right now, use the link in the description below to sign up, and that is pretty much all there is from me. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.